Hello and welcome to our cooking chemistry show. We have Einstein table with Nick, Sam, Caitlin, and Noelle is taping. So today we're going to be making pizza crust and we're going to be exploring how yeast affects pizza crust. In this bowl we have the yeast that is going to follow all the directions. So there's going to be warm water in it and it's the correct amount. In this bowl, this is going to follow all the directions, but it's the correct amount, but we're going to be adding cold water so we can see if the reaction is different. In this one, we're going to be adding warm water, but the amount of yeast is doubled in size. We're going to see how that makes the dough react. Stop. Bring it in!
Hey,
you guys ready? This is after we have added the warm water to the yeast that is going to be doubled in size. So we'll see how that reacts in a second. This one is the correct amount of yeast with the warm water, so you can see how it's kind of reacting because it has a little bubble in it. And this one is the correct amount of yeast with cold water. So obviously it's not reacting as much, but we'll see how that factors into the crust. Yeah. These are all the ingredients together. They're not mixed yet. All we have to do is add the yeast and then knead it and cover it, and we'll check on it in about an hour and see how it's changed. So this is the bowl with the double the amount of yeast, and we just mixed it, but we haven't kneaded it yet. And this is the one with the cold yeast. This is with the normal amount, and this is without the yeast. So we're gonna knead it, and then we're gonna see what it looks like in an hour after it's risen. In there.
There's so much extra stuff.
It'll come together.
Oh, it is coming together.
Yeah, Sam, you having some struggles there?
Shut up, dude. This is tough.
Ew,
like
mine is the grossest by far.
Yeah, yours is like sloppy and disgusting.
That is not going to cook well. So this is the double yeast one. As you can see, it's pretty gross. There's a lot more yeast in it, so it makes it very liquidy. And this one is the cold yeast. It doesn't look that much different from the normal yeast one. And this is the no yeast. So these two look the most different. And now we're going to cover it in saran wrap, put a cloth over it, and wait an hour and see how it works. So this is the double yeast dough after an hour, and as you can see it rose a lot. This is the cold yeast, didn't rise as much. This is the no yeast and it looks exactly the same, and this is the normal yeast and it didn't double in size, but it definitely got bigger. So now we're going to cook them and we'll see what they look like when they're cooked.
Hello everybody. So this is our pizza without the yeast, and I don't know if you can see it, but there's a frowny face with the pepperonis because there's no yeast in it.
Hey guys, this is the pizza with double the yeast. As you can see, it's risen more than the one with no yeast, obviously. And yeah.
Hello. So this is the pizza with the cold water yeast. Looks pretty good. It's cooked pretty well, and we're gonna try it out now. So.
Go.
Hey guys, this is our final pizza. This is where we followed all the directions with the correct amount of yeast and the warm water, and we baked for the same time as all the other ones. Yeah.
There's little Sam lying on the dog bed because he had too much pizza. He's really full. There's Dakota. He's sad because he had too much pizza too. There's their plates.
Dude, my stomach hurts so bad. Oh. I never want to eat pizza again.
Look at poor Sam.
Terrible, don't make me
Where's Nick? He seems pretty okay.
I'm fine.
He's good.
I'm great.
He's just drawing. He's drawing about pizza.
Yep.
Go.
Hey guys, thanks for stopping by our chemistry kitchen. Hope you enjoyed it.